Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Home on wheels, touted as the ultimate luxury RV, embodies the pinnacle of mobile extravagance, seamlessly blending the revered automotive craftsmanship of Mercedes-Benz with the opulent comforts of a high-end residence. This conceptual vehicle represents a compelling vision of unparalleled sophistication and technological advancement within the recreational vehicle sector. From an exterior perspective, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Home on wheels would exude refined elegance synonymous with the brand. Its design would feature sleek, aerodynamic lines, drawing inspiration from Mercedes-Benz most luxurious sedans and grand tours. The iconic three-pointed star would be prominently displayed, signaling its pedigree. Expect a masterful integration of panoramic windows, potentially incorporating electrochromic technology for instant privacy and shading. Premium paint finishes and meticulously crafted exterior accents would contribute to an aura of understated grandeur, ensuring it stands apart from conventional RVs. Stepping inside the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Home on wheels would reveal an interior meticulously designed to replicate the sumptuousness of a private jet or a five-star hotel suite. The ultimate luxury claim would be substantiated by the extensive use of finest materials, including hand-stitched Napa leather, polished exotic woods, and brushed aluminum. The layout would be a triumph of ergonomic and aesthetic design, offering distinct zones for living, dining, sleeping, and personal care. A spacious main salon with custom, reconfigurable seating, a gourmet kitchen, and a master suite featuring a king-sized bed and integrated entertainment systems would provide the ultimate in comfort and luxury. Technological integration would be paramount, featuring a sophisticated control system managing everything from climate and lighting to entertainment and security. Advanced connectivity options, including satellite internet and robust cellular boosters, would ensure occupants remain seamlessly connected. Cutting-edge driver assistance systems would provide an unparalleled level of safety and ease of driving, potentially including autonomous driving capabilities. Comfort would be further enhanced by an active air suspension system, guaranteeing a supremely smooth and quiet ride. Underpinning this rolling palace would be a powerful yet refined powertrain, engineered for effortless performance and optimal efficiency. A custom-built chassis would support the vehicle's considerable weight while maintaining Mercedes-Benz renowned driving dynamics. In essence, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Home on wheels would be a mobile statement of unparalleled affluence and innovation, offering a bespoke travel experience that redefines the boundaries of luxury on the road. It would cater to an exclusive clientele seeking the absolute zenith of comfort, technology, and prestige in their adventures, providing an unforgettable experience that would leave a lasting impression.